A year ago, I sold everything. I sold my car, I sold my crypto assets. I was even selling stuff that I didn't even use in my house. I went all in on my AI business. And then 8 months later, I failed. I went all in right here. Here's my car at a Honda dealership. I needed to pay rent. I had like 2 days until my rent was due. I had no money. I quit my 9 to 5 previously to build my business. It didn't work. So I had a decision, go back to the 9 to 5 or sell my car. So I sold my car. I liquidated everything, crypto assets, everything. I got $10,000, approximately $9,000 for my car. This lasted a few months until I eventually ran out of money. That is my fridge. I had no money. I sold my car, went all in, $0, hungry, broke. So I had to return to the 9 to 5. I had to suck up my pride, my ego, and go back to the grind. And this job was terrible. I was marshaling aircraft, 3 in the morning. I had to be there at 4 in the morning, right? Snow, cold, miserable, bro. But I didn't give up. This was a few days ago. I made $4,300 in a week. Not only did I replace my 9 to 5 income, so I didn't have to do this shit, I made substantially more. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I was able to do this, and I'm going to do it in a way that you don't have to sell your car, you don't have to liquidate all of your assets, and you don't have to fail in public looking like an idiot because I was documenting the entire journey. You don't have to do that. I'm going to outline exactly what I did so you guys can do the same. I'm going to show you exactly how to replace your 9 to 5 income utilizing AI. Now, the first step, we need to find your freedom number. How much do you need? How much money do you need to replace your 9 to 5? This should be relatively simple. How much do you make currently? Depending on where you're at in the world, it could be anywhere from $2,000 a month to $4,000 a month to the upwards of $10,000 a month. How much do you need? Simple, right? Let's say for the sake of this video, you need $4,000 a month. So I'm going to do a beautiful drawing right here of $4,000. Oh my goodness, look at that. All right, so we need $4,000 a month. Now, depending on your skill set, I don't know who you are. I don't know where you are in the world. I don't know your past, your history, your interests, but I do know one thing. You can get paid a substantial amount by just integrating your knowledge and experience with AI and the systems that I'm going to show you in this video. Doesn't matter if you're experienced in anything or not. You can get paid and replace your income with what I'm going to show you. It's very simple. So depending on what you're good at, you need to figure out your offer. If you don't have an offer, don't worry, but you don't get paid for effort. You get paid for solving valuable problems. That is business. Business is solving problems. Your employer, I'm assuming you're employed if you're watching this video. If you're not, I don't know why you're here, but you can still replace a 9 to 5 income. So just pay attention. Business is solving problems. Your employer pays you to solve a problem for their clients, for their customers, right? Whether you're flipping burgers, you're solving the problem of hunger. Or if you're working at a grocery store, you're solving the problem of people not having food. If you are an insurance salesman, you are solving the problem of people needing insurance, or else they're going to get pulled over and go to jail, right? Figure out your offer. You're solving problems here. Again, if you don't have any high income skills to solve expensive problems, this offer that I'm going to show you that I sell to clients for anywhere from $1,900 to $2,500 every single month per client, I'm going to show you how to do this. If you have no high income skills, if you're not good at selling, if you're not good at generating leads, right? If you don't have any high income skills, you're in luck because you don't need any high income skills for what I'm about to show you. But if you do have high income skills, you can combine that with this to exponentially grow. All right. Now, I'm not going to go through everything right here because, yes, there is a lot. What I am going to show you, though, is what I currently do. Now, what I currently do is I build infrastructure using AI for businesses, and then I run ads to that infrastructure. If you're freaking out, if you have no idea what ads do, I'm sure you do know what they do, but if you have no idea how they work, or if you don't even know what infrastructure is, I'm throwing around some big words. Don't freak out. It's really not that difficult. So what I do is, let's say this is an ad for my client. Okay, we create an ad utilizing their footage, And then we just run that on Facebook, right? So you can see here, I just took the screenshot like 10 minutes ago. So we've gotten him 20 leads in the past 30 days, and he sells high ticket. So every customer is at least $1,000. Some of them upwards of $5,000 to $8,000 depending on the job, right? So 20 leads is a lot of potential money for him. And then he pays about $27.80 per lead based off of the amount he spent, right? So very simple. We create an ad for him, we run the ad, and then the ad traffic goes to the system that we build out for him. Now, this is my system, okay? But just you build out this system, and I'll show you how in just a few moments, but it's really, really simple. All pre-templated out. So we build out his infrastructure. This is his infrastructure. It's basically a web page or a funnel, if you're familiar with funnels. But we build out the funnel, and we use AI for all the copy, all right? Extremely easy. We build out the copy and the funnel for people to instantly get access to whatever they want. And then once they do that, they get the opt-in form again, and then they go to a video or whatever it is that the lead is opting in for. Again, business to business, it depends. This is my system for my business, so it operates different from my client's business. For my client's business, they just opt in for a free estimate. So from here, they would go in to the landing page, fill out the form for a free estimate, and then they skip all this, right? They don't need any of this, but they would go to something like this, or immediately get called by the AI system that is set up in my client's business. There are a million ways to do it, but for the sake of simplicity, let's just say they can schedule a call. Okay, so they schedule a call, and then they're put into a nurturing sequence. They're getting automated text messages, automated email messages, and then they can also get called directly from the sales team or the client himself. And then happy paying clients, right? That is the very broad overview of how this system works. I don't want to confuse you and overwhelm you with all the details. I would rather just show you. So here we have Imperium. It is our software. It's completely free for community members. Link down below. It's free to join for the next 49 people. So hop on that. Normally, this is a $500 software, but this is built off of High Level. If you're familiar with High Level, why are you not using it? It's a very powerful software. I also have a free course in the community for utilizing High Level. So if you want to get in, utilize this. Everything you need is in this platform. Okay, you don't need anything else. So the fact that you can get this for free is kind of ridiculous, right? So anyway, look how easy this is. So first off, let's say that you have no means of finding clients. You have no means of finding people to try to sell this to. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to Google, going to look up electricians. So for this, if you go to Google, we have a number of different electricians in Salt Lake City. This is where I live. So we can see here, Whipple Electrical Champions, especially in the sponsored section, these are all people who are paying for these spots. These guys are already paying money for exposure. So we know they have an ad budget or a marketing budget. This is important. So what we can do here is obviously we can call them what and whatnot. But what we're going to do is we're going to just click on this. Let's go to their website. Where is their website? I don't see a website on here. I'm pretty sure they do have a website because I see these guys all over the place. But if they don't have a website, that's all the more reason to reach out to these people. But for the sake of this, let's just go to, it's going to type them in. And then there we go, website. So now we have their website. Beautiful. So what we can do is reach out to these guys. And since these guys are electricians, we know that they are doing the work. They are in the house doing whatever electric plumbers, HVAC guys do, right? They're busy. They're working with their hands. If they get a call, they're not going to be able to answer their phone especially if they're working around electric stuff and plumbing and whatnot. So basically what I'm saying is they're busy people. And I believe the statistic is 60% of calls for service-based businesses, especially if they're smaller service-based businesses, 60% of those calls go straight to voicemail. They miss 60% of their calls. So if you do the math, that's a lot of money that they're missing out on. They are busy people. So this High Level or Imperium, whichever one you're using, has a feature called missed call text back. So what this is when they get a call, but they miss that call, it'll automatically send an automated text message to the number that called them. Meaning, we can build out an entire system for these gentlemen and run ads to it so that they get more calls. But if they miss any calls, they're automatically sending out a text message, right? And that's just one of the features in high level, especially in Imperium, because we have built out a ton of different templates and systems for reviews and everything. But let's say your client or your lead doesn't have a website. You can literally go in here. You can either go websites or funnels or build out a store, right? You can build out anything. But let's say you need to build out a website for these people. There are hundreds, literally hundreds of different templates that you can use to build out the funnel or website for your client. So you can go in here, you can pick any of these, you can customize it to them, to their business, their brand, their offer, and then you can run ads to that, assuming they don't have one. And the icing on the cake, right? Are you ready for this? You can build out an AI agent for them, an AI chatbot. So if you go here to the AI agents tab, you can create either a voice agent that will automatically answer any calls or call anyone to book appointments, to make sales, to even answer a few questions. You can do that with AI voice. Extremely powerful. But you can even do something basic like conversation AI. So if we go here, you can create a bot based off of prompts, and then you can choose whether it's a general Q&A, booking appointments. There's a marketplace built in as well, so you can even sell these to other people and other agencies that use high level, but you have to be an agency admin for that. Or you can just start from scratch. So if we go here, you can create a bot, an AI agent. Let's do just YouTube, for example. And what's really crazy is if you do autopilot, it will automatically reply based off of any training data that we give it to for any of the supported communication channels that we have attached here. So again, text messages, Instagram messages, Facebook messages. You can create a chat widget to embed on their website in addition to a live chat or WhatsApp, right? So just think about this for a moment. You can build out an entire infrastructure for businesses utilizing this all-in-one platform. You can run ads to it, and then you can also add on value to them or for them utilizing AI agents. Just think about the possibilities. Just think about the value. And for $1,800 a month to $2,500 a month, depending on how much you want to charge, me personally, with my agency, we charge anywhere from $2,500 to over $5,500 per client, depending on the robustness of their system. Not to mention all the other agents and stuff that we have in the community utilizing NAN and MindPal and all these other things that we can add and integrate into the system for extremely customizable AI solutions. But just for this one platform, you don't need any of the other tools. You don't need to be an expert in anything. You just need to know how to set this up, which again, we have an entire training in the community for free that shows you how to do this step by step. You can lead with value. So you can, for the sake of this example, let's use Whipple Plumbing, okay? Shout out to Whipple Plumbing. Never met the gentlemen's there, but we're going to use them for this example real quick. So let's save that. Okay, so automatically our AI is going to answer any of the questions or any of the messages that we have attached to the SMS number, which again, you can connect a designated number to the system for both calls and messages. Instagram, Facebook, chat widget, again, you can connect all of that. But if we go into bot training, we'll select a knowledge base. We'll actually create a new one here, and then we're going to do Whipple example, just like that. So we're creating a database for this agent. If you don't know what a database is, it is basically a brain for the AI to pull information from, and it's extremely easy to do. So we're going to do what is called a web crawler. Obviously, we have no data in here, but if we go to add source and web crawler, exact URL, we're just going to push, or rather populate this into here. So once it does that, it's going to fetch all of the pages from this web page. And then after a few moments, you'll see it is trained. So our agent, our database is now trained on this information. So if we go back to Conversation AI, go to agents list, then we're going to click on this one here. We can also configure all of the information in terms of the personality of the agent, the goal of the agent, and then any additional information. And then you can also configure actions for this agent to be able to take. That's a whole other video if you're interested more in that. leave it down in the comments, or you can just join the community and go through the trainings there. But lastly, I just want to show you, you can test your bot. So what services do you provide? Just like that. So we're going to ask it. We offer a range of business support systems. Oh, whoops, I forgot. So I did not create, or rather, I did not attach this knowledge base. So I had no idea what to do. So if we go back, refresh, then I ask, what services do you provide? Going to do that, send, and now we handle plumbing, HVAC, drain, sewer, and electrical services, everything from repairs and installations to upgrades and emergency fixes. Let me know if you want details on any specific services. What hours are you open? And then there's no information on that from the page that we trained this data on. So he says, I don't have the exact hours on hand. If you need details about our service times, I can help with that or point you in the right direction. So for this, I would suggest training the bot to then forward or suggest connecting this lead to a person, okay? Or just training the data directly, which I'll show you real quick if we go back to knowledge base. So we'll save that real quick. If we go back to knowledge base, Whipple example, frequently asked questions. So we'll just add a new source, frequently asked questions. What hours are you open, right? So we'll do that Monday through Friday, 9 to 5, just like that. Very basic, but let's see. So if we go back, conversation AI, agents list, go back to our agent bot training, we'll refresh, and then we'll say, what hours are you open? So now we're open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. Let me know if you need more details about anything else. And just like that, we have an AI agent that's handling any inbound leads. Again, if you want to run ads for this lead or this client, in addition to just setting the system up, there is literally no reason that you cannot be making $1,800 to $2,500 plus every single month per client by setting up the system. Because if you find high ticket clients, rather, I should say, if you find clients that deal in high ticket sales, whether they're doing, $2,000 deals, basically what I'm trying to say, if one customer for these clients is over $1,000, all you need to do is find them an extra 3-4 clients to double their investment with you. So just think about that. This is how I was able to replace my 9 to 5 income after screwing up so many different times. I just had to realize I just need to provide value to these businesses. That's it. Before, I was just dicking around. I had no value proposition. I didn't know what to approach these business owners with. So if you can just go on Google, find a niche, and then just message them like, hey, can I build you a free chatbot? That's perfect foot in the door. I can build you a free chatbot for a month, or I can run your ads for a month. You just find ways in, right? But the TLDR is just learn this system, and you don't need to pay any money if you are one of the first 49 to get into the community, because again, community is free for the next 49 people. You get a free Imperium account for you, your business, and then you can also manage your clients' businesses from here as well. If not, we have a free training in there as well to set this up and build your own version. You can have your very own version of Imperium or high level. Everything you need is in the description below. Let me know if this helps. Again, I'd love to dive in further on anything else. If there's any questions you have, leave them in the comments below. But literally, this is so powerful. There's no reason that you cannot be charging thousands of dollars each month per client for building out their system. And we did not even touch on, the marketing system or the pipelines or automated invoicing and estimates. High level is extremely powerful. So everything, like I said, in the description, go after it. Never give up. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, my friend, peace.